Good morning. We took a quick flight from Singapore to Bali. And we are currently in Ubud. Ubud. We'll find out how to pronounce that. We are gonna head out right away this morning, and we are taking a walk that's nearby in Ubud, the Campuhan Ridge Walk, I think it's called. And it looks really nice and was recommended by the hotel that we're staying at. So we have an exciting day ahead. Let's go check out that walk and see what Ubud is like. Our hotel that we're staying at is just on the edge of the monkey forest. We are walking to drop off our laundry. I don't have anything for you. Oh God. Bill's left me behind. Oh God, a million of them just came running toward me. Oh dear God. Oh, oh my God. Oh, that one has a sore paw. Oh God, they're all going toward Bill now. Wow, I'm not sure we need to pay to go to the monkey forest anymore. It's around 10 o'clock. We have nothing to compare this to, but it seems like a lot of the shops are still closed. Heading to our laundry drop-off. Laundry successfully dropped off. Somehow we thought we'd get away from American chains. Not so much. Starbucks is here. Every 50 feet or so, I think we're asked if we want a taxi. And if we say no, they ask us, do you need a driver for the next day? This is the start of the walk. And so far, we're not sure why it's called a ridge walk, because it looks like we're down at the bottom by the river. Well, we stopped long enough for me to put up my hair and to put on bug spray and to realize that this is not the start of our walk. So we are heading back up before we get down to the bottom and gonna find the actual start of our walk. My glasses are fogging up because we stopped walking. A little hot in Bali. You may be wondering, why is Heather wearing pants when it's really hot and humid in Bali? The reality for me is I can be the only person on the entire island of Bali wearing mosquito repellent with DEET in it, and I'll still have the most bites. Bill, how many mosquito bites do you have?
0.
I have at least a dozen, probably more like 20. And that's why I'm wearing pants. We are literally in the jungle. It's beautiful, so green and lush, and pretty up hills, you can tell from my breathing. There's little to no shade up here, but there's a lovely breeze. If I could describe it, I would say the scent is sweet and green. It's beautiful.
So we're here walking along this ridge. It's up high between 2 river valleys. There's butterflies. We can hear waterfalls, although we can't quite see them. The grasses and the trees are very tall. It's just a nice walk. It's also very hot today. We've used about half of our water, and we barely started, we think.
Our walk is done. Sort of has plopped us out into, I don't know, I hesitate to call it a village. It's pretty geared toward tourists. But a road. We saw one of these in the Singapore Botanical Gardens. Here it is in Bali. It's beautiful. Well, that was the end of the Ridge Walk. It was pretty short, actually. We have identified a warren up ahead, and we're gonna head there for lunch. Hopefully some good lunch with a great view. That's what we're looking for. Let's go. If this isn't one of the most amazing trails leading to lunch, I don't know what is. Wow. Except for all the garbage. Why? Why? But it's beautiful. Oh, this is so cool. Hey, if you've enjoyed watching two Minnesotans absolutely melt in some of the hottest weather they've ever experienced in their lives, hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to click the bell to be notified of our next video. We have a lot more to come on Indonesia. This is the first time that we've seen rice paddies, and they're beautiful, and it looks like they're maybe getting ready to be harvested. We just don't know anything about this process, so we might have to learn. This rice is almost as tall as I am. Is rice like corn? Does it get to be 6 feet tall? I have no idea.
We think this is it. Let's go have lunch.
Oh my God, look at how we get to lunch. I'm so excited. I better not fall in. That would be embarrassing. This place wins for best ambiance. Holy cow. We're eating on an island. It's so cool.
The fruit juices here are amazing, and they're a little over $1 each. Pretty much everywhere we've been, we ask for them with no ice because we don't want to drink the local water and be sick, perhaps. Not to take a chance anyway, but they are delicious and very inexpensive. This one's a mixed banana, and I don't remember what else. It's great. And noodles, she's pretty excited about it. And I got nasi tempura. So it's chicken, we got satay, we got some scrambled eggs.
Tofu, tempeh.
Tofu and tempeh, and then some kind of peanut salad here. I'm looking forward to eating this. I'll be honest, we were a little bit skeptical about this walk before we came out of that village, but then it opened up, and I think this is what people think of when they think of Bali. It's rice fields, it's flowing water, it's a very peaceful and very idyllic view that we have here. It's just beautiful. And we get to have lunch looking at it.
Well, that was the bamboo kitchen that we ate at, and they told us that all of the rice that they use comes from the fields that surround the restaurant, which is really cool. We also learned that the taller rice is actually a different kind of rice. This rice that's nearly as tall as I am is for sticky rice. And the shorter rice is, I don't know, other rice. But how neat is it to eat in an environment where the rice literally comes from the fields that surround us? That was just an idyllic place. If you do the Ridge Walk, there are many choices that you have for eating, but I don't think you can beat the bamboo kitchen. That's where you should go. Our hotel left us a plate of fruit. And one of them, we had no idea what it was, like not in any way. So we had to look it up, and it's called a snake fruit. And from what we can tell, it's ready to eat. So we are attempting to peel it, and then we'll find out what snake fruit tastes like. I mean, it sounds not very good.
Tastes like chicken.
I mean, we'll find out. How do you eat it? Jeez.
It's called snake fruit because the scales feel very much like a snake skin. It looks a little like garlic cloves, kind of.
Take a little one. I don't want to commit. How do we eat it?
I could just eat it.
Just bite into it?
Just go for it.
I don't know what I think of it.
So it's very sweet.
I don't think it's super sweet.
So try it right there. To me, it tastes a little like jackfruit.
Yeah, it reminds me of jackfruit as well. If you haven't had jackfruit before, it tastes like juicy fruit gum. This tastes like a less sugary version of jackfruit. It's not super sweet, I think. Jackfruit's way more sugary. The texture of this is...
Like juicy fruit gum?
No. The texture of it is like a really soft apple. Like a cross between an apple and a jackfruit.
Yeah.
So that's what snake fruit tastes like. It's after 5 p.m. We are picking up our laundry. Well, our laundry costs $40,000, and it's all super well folded and in the bag that we gave them to them in, and it's even warm still.
Less than $3.
It's amazing. So nice to not wash my hand for once.
Nanti ka mandi. Mau mandi aja gitu. Mandi diri.
Oh, they're the best.
Come over here for some pets. I had to do a little bit of damage shopping in between petting the dogs. So we got to hurry up actually now and go to dinner. Dinner we're having is actually at the #1 restaurant in all of Ubud, according to TripAdvisor. So we're really looking forward to that. And it's still not going to be very expensive, which is astonishing to me.
Ooh, I don't want to be in the middle of that. Ooh, I think a monkey fight took place.